How to add longer videos on Snapchat story. In this video, I will show you how can you easily add longer videos on your Snapchat story. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to open your Snapchat application. Once you open it, simply navigate to the memory section. Then there, you need to choose the camera roll from the top menu and choose a particular video which you want to upload on your Snapchat story. Once you have chosen the video, now you need to click on the send option at the bottom right corner. Once you click on send, you will see the option of writing something about the video as add a text option. Simply write something and you can either send this video to your friends particularly or simply add this video on your Snapchat story. Now, in the same way, if you want to upload a longer video on your Snapchat story, go back to your camera section and hold the little circle icon in the middle. You need to hold this icon and when it turns red, you need to keep holding it for at least a minute, as that is the maximum time up to which a Snapchat can record a longer video. After the video has been recorded, click on the option of send to. And then again, you can either send this long video to your friends particularly or add in your Snapchat story. So that's it. That is how easily you can add longer videos on your Snapchat story. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.